my name is Sydney and welcome to my channel. I hope you like this room tour and let me know what you think. On the right, I have a few things over here. Some snacks, my shoes. I have a peace lily, mirror, some artwork of foxes, my calendar. This is kind of just a little catch-all cute area. Then over here, my trash, my bedside table. This rug is from Urban Outfitters, I believe. Have some nice pictures up there. This is my bed. And then I have some more artwork. And here are my bookshelves. Let's start over here. I have my electronic area over there. So here's my bookshelf. So I was planning on putting some ivies in that eventually, or put those. And this is my whole bookshelf. And here I have a philodendron and a hanging planter from IKEA. My TV area, my fiddly fig. Over here I have my record, some books, family pictures, wee stuff. So moving on to my desk area, I have this really cute fiddly fig on top of my record holder, which I actually made this. The box part is from Target and the legs are from Amazon, which I added on there. Now for my desk, I have these little babies right here where I can watch them closely and make sure if they need water. My little duck, so cute. What else do I have up here? I have some paintbrushes. I have this really cute tin that I have my watercolors in. It's so cute. Can't really see it that well, but I have some gouache. I have my colored pencils, some notebooks, and then I got this from Amazon. It's supposed to hold a laptop, but I didn't put a laptop on there. My markers. And I'll show you inside. It's not very, well, it's organized kind of, but not the best. So I have all sorts of things up there. I have my old paints, new paints, random things, glues, all sorts of things, and then just storage up there. And for this one, same goes. I have my toolbox up there, all different notebooks that are mostly unused, some cups that I can put my paintbrushes in, and more of my paint stuff. So there it is. And then for the bottom part, I have some stickers, stationery, all sorts of letter things that I got from Daiso. More stickers. I love stickers. What else do I have? Pens, glue, the essentials really in there. Then here I have some random things like oils. I have tools, some of my washi tapes. Then for the bottom, I have, it's kind of a mess down here, memory boxes, and then some of my tools that I use. And for this bottom part, this is mostly storage. So mostly paper, old school supplies and such. Okay, so when you come out of my door, I have this plant area over here where I have some of my silver, pothos, caladiums, and then some more pothos. And then in here I have my little propagating babies right there. Propagating, and some geodes. And below, I just have my shoes. And then right there in the middle, those are all my nail supplies. Yeah, but this is that little area there. Then over here, which is quite messy, this is my makeup area. So above my vanity, I have some more plants. I have a couple books in there, and that copper thing is from World Market. Yep, so there's some more pothos. They're the only things I can really do well, thrive down here, because I do have my bedroom in the basement. So yeah, that's my area up there. Then moving on from my vanity area, I have my mirror, my mom from homecoming in high school, and this is my closet right here. This is actually just a hole in the wall basically, and then my dad, he put in all the shelving and the dresser. I'll get a little closer so you can look around. But this is my closet. I tried to Marie Kondo it the best I could. And I have just storage at the top. And then my desk is over there. And that concludes my room tour. So I hope you liked it. Leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Bye!